this is Shruti. So today I'm here to show you all the beautiful interiors done by Palle Interiors, and this property belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Naresh and Karthika, and this property is in Hyderabad. So I'm really excited to check out all the designs. So are you? Let's get it. So yeah, here we are at the entrance. Here we have the door paneling with veneer and the door with CNC cutting. Adjacent to it we have a shoe rack with quads on it. So let's see the hall. This is the hall with golden theme. To one side of the hall we have a L-shaped sofa with a beautiful and rich wallpaper as a background. To the other side of the hall we have a TV cabinet with wire conceal unit with ducal finish, and all the drawers and shutters have been beautifully arranged with golden leaf handles. The hall is complemented with the ceiling which has wooden rafters and spotlights on it. So here is a beautiful background with a golden tree on the digital glass. So all the background is covered with leaves and tree. So here I have to show you this. This is a hidden door which not only matches the background but also leads to the sitting area. So the balcony has been given a park theme with artificial grass, a brick wallpaper as a background, and seating arrangement. We have a good partition for the artifacts as well as wall for puja unit. And also beautiful digital Ganesh on the glass door. We are in the dining area which has 4-seater dining table and a quads on the top of it, and 3D CNC wall which highlights the wall here. A customized blend with Buddha covers the window. The whole dining area is elevated with the chandelier. Here we are in the crockery unit with beautiful olive green theme which is made up of Duke metallic finish, and the backsplash with digital glass, and on the top of it we have glass profile doors. This is a kitchen, one wall kitchen with quads as a platform and inbuilt hob with chimney on the top and a beautiful loft. So we have cutlery, cup and saucer, thali and bottle pull-out units. We have sliding doors with floral theme. So this is a breakfast unit where hot and tasty food can be served very quickly. This is the master bedroom. We have sliding wardrobes with digital glass and loft. Headboard and ceiling with CNC cutting of golden metallic finish which gives an elegant look to the room. Beside the wardrobe, we have a seating and customized blend with Radha Krishna to hide the window. To the corner there is a dressing table with mirror, and the drawers have been smartly placed for seating. The customized peacock wallpaper have been highlighted with the spotlights which adds the additional beauty. This is a kids room which has been given a sky blue theme. Digital smurfs on the sliding doors are according to the likes of the children. Bunk bed for multi-purpose use and steps with drawers for children's storage has been arranged. There is a beautiful sky theme on the ceiling. Here we have a study table with shutters and drawers, and beside that we have a customized blend of children. Now let's know how the client feels.
After purchasing of my property, I want to build like a dream house. That's why I searched for a number of options for interior designers in Hyderabad. On lot of search, I found Palle Interiors on the web. They provided lot of designs with creative skills. I really liked master bedroom and hall design.
We are happy with the outcome of the total designs. It actually turned out really well, just like what we have been promised.
We love our bedroom. We are enjoying a lot.
Let's hear how these beautiful designs have been created from the designer point of view.
Coming to this particular client, from the day one, they had a special and a unique requirements. We have taken a lot of input from the client. Once the designs got approved, we have executed it perfectly in a short period of time.
So this is a beautiful property designed by Palle Interiors. We'll come with more designs in the next videos. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.